With some models of scan and cut machines, there are various additional categories that we can take advantage of. For example, on the CM900 that I am working with here, I have a category of applique letters. So specifically for working with fabrics and embroidery, I can load these up, and these load up in very much the same way as any other shape that we've been loading so far. So with this character, I can actually add a seam allowance, which as you saw we couldn't do with our regular characters. The exact seam allowance will be set in your settings menu, and just to remind you, we'll be covering that later in this course. I can set the height and width, I can set the number of repetitions, and do all of the other changes that we covered in our basic shapes section. Once you've done all of that, press set, and that shape is there ready on your mat to work with. You can load others in exactly the same way. So you can create a word, a monogram, or something like that.